Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and today we'll discuss about uh, how to manage SSH, how to manage Telnet. Now, these are the two labs we are going to do in ASA, Cisco ASA. Alright, so we will be configuring SSH and configuring Telnet. Also, I will be showing you how Telnet can be exploited. Okay. So that also we will see. I mean, we will do the labs. All right. Now, if you see here, this side in outside network, and this is inside network. So that means over here our security level will be 100, and outside network we'll keep security 0. Okay. Now, inside this network, from interface 0 by 0 to till this PC and all those. So this is your private network. I'm talking about this particular areas. This particular areas is your, this is your private network. So which also you can tell inside. And from here to here, from this particular, so that is your outside. We'll go here and write outside. Now this outside network is like your 66.92.222.1, I mean dot 0, and we can keep /30. Okay, and this is inside network. We can put 192.168 and 10.2, I mean 10.0/24. So this is your inside network, and that is your outside network. So what we are going to do is SSH and Telnet. So first we will be configuring the ASA and all those, and then you will be configuring Telnet and SSH, and I'll show you the connectivity configuration and everything. So just have a look, guys. Okay, so first you will be going into that firewall. So I'll click on this. So firewall is going to open up. So this is your Cisco ASA. Now you type here. This is Cisco ASA. Okay. So now if you check here in this, in the diagram, you see 0 by 0, which is your inside network. Alright. Let me write here inside. Which is inside. So we will set that IP address inside first. Let's say interface 0 by 0, and then you can put no shutdown. And then you can set IP address 192.168, let's say 10.1, 255.255.255.0. Now you will be setting up the speed. We'll be putting it auto, and we will be giving name if we will put it inside. So we have, now see, once you have put it inside, by default security level is 100. Okay, also you can put it here security level 100. So that is done. Okay, now other side, I mean uh, gig 0 by 1, we have to set that IP there. Okay, so that IP we have, this is the IP we are going to check, set 66.192. So we'll be go to that interface. Now interface gig 0 by 1 and then no shut. Now you can set IP address 66, then 192, 192, then 222.1, 255, 255, 255, and then /30. I mean, which will be coming your bit you have to add /30. Alright, so you can put here 252. Alright, so next you put here name if outside. Okay, so you can see by default name fit is 0 outside. Now you check show interface IP brief. I can see both of the interfaces are up. Alright, and then we will be going to the switch and then we will be setting IP address to the PC. Alright, so then also we have to configure here into the router. So we'll do that. So if you want to see the, sorry, if you want to see the configuration here, so you can check it. We have set that information here. Okay, now if you want to see that interface individual details, so interface and then gig 0 by 0, now it will be showing it here, which is 192.168.10.1. Now if you go gig 0 by 1, so we'll be going here 66 and all. So that is that IP we have set both the interfaces. Alright, okay, so now we will be setting IP address into the switch. So we'll be okay, so we'll be going to the, this is your switch. Now we will be setting a VLAN here. Let's say VLAN 100, name IT. So now interface range gig 0 by 0 and 1. Now switch port access VLAN 10. Now exit. Now interface VLAN 10 IP address 10.10. IP address 192.168.10.2 255 255 255.0. Okay, so first we will be pinging that mm, we'll ping that firewall. I'll check the connectivity 192.168.10.1. Yeah, it's pinging. You can see it here. I mean, from that switch to firewall, it is reachable. Then we'll be going to the PC. So this is that PC that we have. Now we will be setting up that IP address there in the PC. So you'll go to the properties and go to IPv4. Click on properties. Use IP address here 192.168 and then 10 dot let's say 3 192.168.10.2. Okay, so now click OK. Click OK. So in the switch, you will be putting one comment: IP default gateway 192.168, then 10.1. This is the gateway for the switch. So from the PC, we will ping now. From the PC, we will try to ping to the ASA firewall. Okay, so you will be going here. This is command prompt. Now 192.168.10.2. This is the switch which is replying, and 10.1 which is also replying. That means we have checked that connectivity is proper there. Okay, so now we are going to configure the first we'll be configure the telnet. Okay, in the ASA. Okay, so you see how we are configuring telnet here. So you'll be putting here telnet and then give that network. You know, telnet you can give, I mean, allow only particular host, or you want to allow for entire network, that you can decide. So let's say I want to give 192.168.10.3, that particular PC, only PC I want to give the access, and then subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and we are giving it which is inside, which is inside. Alright, so that means we have allowed telnet only for inside. Now you can set here enable password network read. So give enter. So we have set with the password and we have set the telnet. So now we will go to the PC and we will try to have a access. Alright, now we will be going here. We will put here telnet 192.168.10.1. You see the password is network read. So we are able to reach up to the telnet. You can see it here. So then even you want to access from the putty, that also you can do. So you'll be opening the putty and select here telnet and then give 192.168 and 10.1, which is that IP address of the firewall. Oh, okay, so there is a password mismatch. I will check that. So you guys have seen it, how to access the telnet. Okay. So you guys, you have seen it, how you can have access in the telnet from the PC. So also we can check one more thing. Let's say telnet service has been installed in the PC or not. We'll be going to run and type here appwiz.cpl. So once you'll put that, now click on this and after that you go and check that telnet. Yeah, telnet, you see telnet service has been enabled. Okay. Alright, so we have done with the telnet. Okay. Then enable password Cisco. Let me check again for the telnet whether I'm getting access or not. Cisco. Okay. Copy, run, start. So this one we will save your configuration. Okay. So then we next will be going for SSH. So SSH is secure socket cell. Just a minute. If I am able to capture the telnet, let me see that I'm able to get the password or not. Just give me a moment. So this is the Wireshark analyzer. So as I told you earlier that telnet is not safe. Interface is not popping up. Anyways, so guys, you can go there. I mean, if you are using it, Wireshark. So what we will be doing? So you will be going here, go to analyze, and then you will be, follow this analysis. Follow and TCP stream. If you check, then if it is telnet, then you will be able to have a, see the password, telnet password. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, now next we are going to do SSH. So you'll be configuring that on the top of your ASA. So how we'll be doing SSH? So let me show you up. So first will be for the ASA, I mean SSH. A few things you need to follow. You have to put that encryption key, and also need to change the name. So name of the device. Let's say by default it is Cisco ASA. We will change the name, host name. Let's say ASA 1. We have done it. Now you'll be type in the command uh, crypto key, and then we'll put generate and then RSA. Alright, now if you give enter, so I will say yes, or you can give this one also, RSA modules 1024. This key I want to put. Okay, so next what you are going to go give SSH. You'll be giving the command SSH, and after that you want to give the network, or you need to give the particular IP. In this case I'm going to give entire network like 192.168.10.0, and then you will put 255 255 255 255. So I will give from inside. Also I want that I will be accessing this from outside. Alright, so that I have put. Now what we will be creating? We will be creating that username and etc. That in order to have access uh, for the SSH. So you'll create some username. Let's say I can put Cisco, and password I can put Cisco. You can put anything which you like. Alright. Now you'll be giving that triple A. Triple A means authentication, authorization, and accounting. Triple A authentication, and then we'll be going SSH console, and then local. So what will happen when that uh, request will be coming for SSH? The user we have created here in locally, it will pump there. If it is so, if it is authenticate, then only it will be create there. Okay. So now what we will do? We will be going to this machine, and we will be putting here like SSH 192.168.10.1. That is that SSH. We are accessing the ASA. SSH 192.168 then 10.1. Okay, so there is some issues are coming up. We will troubleshoot that. How you will be doing? You check here. So SSH. So SSH we have configured here. Now we'll check show SSH session. So there is no session, means connectivity has not been created. Now you can check show crypto key. my key RSA. So this is the crypto key. So configuration has been done properly. So just need to connect, and we will check this again. Let's say we will be going here, and we will be typing SSH minus L, then Cisco, and then IP address of the ASA 192.168, then 10.1. Just a minute, let me check from here. 192.168 and then 10.1. So over here each one prompt should come like your security key, and then once you'll be confirm it and you will proceed, automatically it will give you the prompt in order to have a access there. So mm, something is missing out here. Okay, so you do the lab. I hope it will be coming for you. It won't be a problem. So you have seen it how to configure the Telnet and SSH. So it's not a tough one. So you can create that. Okay. Now we will check. 192.168.10.1. So we'll check that show run. Now you have seen it that IP and all those interface 1 and interface 0, we have set that IP address, we have set that security level, we have set every single things. So also we have put the security key, there is no issue. Telnet also we have done. Okay, so there is no such issue. So guys, you can practice this lab, and I'm sure that you know it will be you'll be able to execute it. And show command and other things also you'll check that I have shown you up. If you want to check that history, mm, show history, so you'll be showing all the commands what all you have executed so far. So you can practice this, it's going to happen. Okay, and also one of the videos I will explain what was the issue that was not helping to execute the SSH in this very moment. Okay guys, see you then, thank you.